This street was strewn with solid waste. There was more than 250 tons of solid waste, including hundreds of scrap tires that were dumped in this property right behind me and along this road.
It's a multi-block area of Elderwood that unfortunately has been targeted by illegal dumpers.
Some tires, some residential waste, and everything in between. And we have been operating in this area, monitoring and investigating the criminal side of what happens here.
And the folks that live here, they deserve a safe, clean, and healthy environment.
And so we had the opportunity to come in and clean up those tires, clean up that waste to help revitalize this neighborhood.
We are very blessed. We had, the EPA join us.
So to come back and see it cleaned up, to see the green in the area, we've had an impact, and so that's just exciting to see.